Good morning, children. So welcome back to my class. And here in some days we were discussing about the solute solvent solution, isn't it? So substances that soluble in water, substances that insoluble in that floating subjects, the substances, sinking substances like that. And in the yesterday, last class it was yesterday, and in yesterday we did some experiment that shows oil does not dissolve in water. Am I correct?
Yes,
It floats over the surface of water. And maybe almost all the substances dissolve in water. Some substances like oil does not dissolve in water. Some substances that may dissolve in, that may not dissolve in water, that may dissolve in oil also, isn't it? Oil, kerosene, Wasim showed kerosene. Then what it is? What it is? Thinner. Okay, thinner. Okay, so in that all paints dissolve it, isn't it? Paints dissolve in only thinner, then the kerosene, then the oil, like that, not in water. That is why paint workers are asking, demanding thinner or turpentine or this kerosene for washing their accessories. That means their brush, paint tins, that and all. Okay. Yes, Adit Devadat.
Their hands too.
Yeah, for washing hands also. And one more thing I will tell you. See, everybody, especially the girls, are using nail polish, isn't it? Okay, just think. Ivana put today red colored, Ivana, okay, red colored nail polish. But today, as she know, after some time, we have to celebrate Onam. So she want to change that nail polish color to yellow. What she will do, if she wash it in with water, can she change that one, Ivana?
No.
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 Why it is not possible?
It never go.
Why? What is the reason it never go? But if you are using some other thing, you can, what you can use it for changing? Yes, Niranjana.
Nail polish remover.
Nail polish remover. Okay, if you use nail polish remover instead of water, you can remove that nail polish.
Nail
And
polish.
whatever the color you want, you can use it. Am I correct? So nail polish is also like a paint, like a sort of paint. Understood? So the paints and the nail polish, dissolve will not dissolve in water, but dissolve in this kerosene also. We can use it for removing the nail polish, but we are not using because it smells bad, isn't it? So that is why remover is used. Remover is also a type of thinner, like that. Okay, clear? Children, is it clear? So that is why we, if anything, any stains, if it oil stains, if it there on our dresses, nice dresses, your mother will not wash it at home. She may give it to dry cleaning. Have you heard about dry cleaning? Dry cleaning, okay.
Yeah,
Why we are using dry cleaning for our dresses? Yes, who can say it? Raise your hand. These all are in daily life we are using. Your mother's silk sari, especially, isn't it? Yes, Gurujit. I think Gurujit's mother is giving always her silk saris for dry cleaning. No, then what she will give?
If we put in water, the color may go.
Okay, color will fade. Okay, this is the reason. That is also one of the reason. But sometimes if grease or oil stains are there on the dress, grease or oil stains it. If it happens on the dress, surely we have to give it for dry cleaning. What may be the reason?
It will remove.
Okay,
the
what it will remove? What it will remove that
dry
one?
cleaner.
Say oil, see this oil or grease, you see it does not dissolve in water. Oil or grease does not dissolve in water, but it will dissolve in petrol, kerosene, like that things, substances. Understood? Solvents. So in dry cleaning centers, they are using petrol. They are using petrol for washing that cloth. If they are using kerosene means we can smell it, isn't it? That is why they are using petrol. In petrol, this oil or grease stains can dissolve in it. So we can
Diesel also we can use.
diesel. I'm not sure about it. Petrol, I think. Okay. Diesel, I think. Let me check it, Devadat. Okay, I haven't to think about it. Okay. So petrol, we can use it for kerosene. Also, we can use it for what? We can see, children. Devadat, diesel. It is having some color, no? Diesel. Maybe that is why it is not using. I am not sure whether you can use it or not. I will check it and I will inform. Okay. So in the this one, dry cleaning centers, they are using petrol for washing or cleaning that stains, oil or grease stains, because the oil or grease stains does not dissolve in water. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is the, yeah, Guruji told us we will,
Yes.
yeah, that one of the reason is that what Guruji, because if you put it in the water, sometimes the color of the dress may get fade, isn't it? Yeah, so one of the reason is that, and especially for removing grease and oil stains, we can give it for washing by petrol, that it is done in the dry cleaning centers. Clear? Is this points clear?
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
we can use why we can't use water for removing nail polish? That all day you want these all, isn't it, girls? Do you want these all
It is a pain.
informations? Yes. So now let me spotlight Megha. Okay, Megha, those items are ready. Okay, everyone, please listen. Okay, so I told Megha to keep 3 glasses. In one glass, normal water. Isn't it, Megha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In
It is
another,
very blur.
sorry,
It is very blur.
it is blurred. So
Yeah.
can you? Okay. Okay. So I think so much light is there. If you switch off
Now?
that light.
No, it's okay, ma'am.
Now it is okay. Yes, now it is okay. So one more glass. In that glass, which color? Which water? Cold
In
water?
this glass, cold water, and this
Very
glass,
good.
hot water.
Hot water. Where is the normal water?
Ma'am, you told normal water.
Okay,
also?
take a glass and bring some normal water.
Okay,
also.
ma'am.
Okay. So children, only half glass is enough. Half glass is enough. Half of the glass is enough. Okay. So children, here you can see this one. Megha had arranged 3 glasses. In that 3 glasses, in which one glass it is normal water, another glass it is cold water. You can see the vapors are outside, no, cold water. And in one it is lukewarm water. Lukewarm water means not that much. Okay, Kashi is also keeping. Okay, very good. Now lukewarm water means some hotness. Okay, that is enough. Not the boiled water. So Megha, take the. So can you keep the this one some more down? Video,
Okay, ma'am.
camera some more down. Yeah, very good. So take some sugar. Okay. Take some sugar in it.
In which
Okay.
one, ma'am?
Put it in first in normal water. Okay, stir it. And in some in both the all the three glasses you put it, all the three, ice cold water, in the hot water, and also in plain water. Okay, and stir it, and stir it. Yes. So in which glass that sugar gets dissolved first or fast? We want to see that. In which glass? The glass which contain normal water, the glass which contain a hot water, or the glass which contain ice cold water. In which glass the sugar get dissolved fast? Can you tell me, children? In
Hot water. Hot water.
Hot water.
in hot water. Did you see that?
Yes.
Yes. So whenever we keep, okay, I think in the normal water, it may take some time to dissolve, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about the cold water? What about
It is
in
not
cold
going
water?
at all. Not
Yeah,
at all.
it is not dissolving. You can still, you can see. Isn't
Yeah.
it? So thank
Hot
you,
water will
Mekha,
be-
for arranging these all things for the demonstration. Okay, give a good clap for Mekha. Kashi is also doing very good, but I scared to inform you all to make this because if I don't know whether the parents are there or not. If you are, yes, if you are going to arrange that hot water, that may make some casualties. That is why. Okay. So Kashi, in which water the sugar dissolved fast? Did you check? In which water?
Hot water.
Hot water. Okay, in hot water. Children, I hope you understood. Isn't it? Same quantity of
Yes.
sugar, put it in the 3 types of water. But when the water, when we put it in the hot water, it get dissolved fast. What may be the reason? See, you might have experienced this while you prepare some juices, lime juices especially. Yes.
In my mother making tea like that.
Okay, tea milk, if it is hot, it may dissolve fast. See,
Yeah,
while
ma'am.
if you are preparing lime juice, any type of juice, by taking the water from the fridge. So at that time, your mother will tell you, no, don't put the sugar directly to that cold water. We should not do that because it may take lots of time. If we want to drink the juice now, we will get tomorrow only. If we are putting sugar in the, if we are putting sugar in the cold water. Understood? It will not dissolve. Okay, for that is why, so when you prepare the lime juice using the cold water, what you need to take some plain water, mix as much sugar in it, dissolve in it, and then put that it in the cold water. Then it can mix together. Okay.
Ma'am,
So yes, Christo.
we can do like this. Like we can take the hot water, then
Okay, hot water, making juices by hot water. Is it tasty? No, it is not tasty. Sometimes it
ma'am,
may.
after that we will put ice cube, then
Okay, no need of taking hot water. Normal water is enough. Normal water is enough. Okay, so here I want to explain. Ivan Thomas, listen here. Don't fight with your brother. Okay, okay. Are you okay? So here, let me explain. When we are, how does the solute dissolves in solvent? See, when we add solute like sugar in solvent like water, these solute and solvent substances start to move. Okay, particles, these particles will start to move between them. If it is cold water, that movement will be less. Understood? See, when we add sugar or salt like solute, Randir, listen here. This solute will dissolve in water like solvent because both the substances move fastly. Okay, but in cold water, that movement of the solute and the solvent, it is no movements are there, not at all. They are not at all moving. So if they are not moving, how they can mix together? They can't. That is why the solute is not dissolving in cold water. But in normal water, that movement will be slow. If we heat that water, what will happen? Heating one substance means we are giving energy directly to them. Okay, so when we use some hot water, the substances are getting energy by heating. Megha kept some lukewarm water, isn't it? Just slightly hot. When she heated that water, what will happen? That energy, heat energy, get it into the substance. So they got energy. After lunch or after the snacks, you also will be very energetic, isn't it? If you are hungry, you will sit simply. But if you are having something in your stomach, means you will have some energy. The same case with the substances also. When they are heated up, means they got some energy, they will move fast. So the solute substances, the solvent substances, both will move fast. When they move fast, they will mix together. That is how the solution forms. Understood? Understood? Randir, you are not listening in my class. You are keen to keep some filters. I will remove you. Okay. Okay. So this is the reason why it happened. Got it? Clear? So let me show Kashi. Kashi is showing something. Yes, Kashi. What is that? Using the glasses you are. Okay. Is it cold water?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. What about the see? Still now you can see that it is not dissolved.
It's not dissolving.
Yeah. In lukewarm water, is it normal water?
This is the hot water. It is dissolving fast.
Yeah. Very good. Okay. Good. So children, with your parent, along with your parents, you can do it at home. These all are daily life we have to use, isn't it? Daily life based experiments. Okay. Any doubt according to this? Do you have any doubt?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
No. Okay. So these all we want to know. Okay, hotness or when we heat something, some substances, what will happen? Substances are getting energy directly. So when they get energy directly means that they will move fast. They will move fast. So what will happen when they move fast? They will mix together. That is why when we put any of the salt in hot water, it may get dissolved fast. Clear?
Ma'am,
Is
I
it
have a
clear,
doubt.
children?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Wait. This much is all about this chapter. I hope you enjoyed this chapter by learning by doing. Am I correct?
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay, let me call. Somebody is asking some doubt. Who is having that doubt? Who is it?
Wasim.
Asim.
Wasim.
Okay, Wasim. Okay, tell me, Wasim.
What all are included in carousel?
What all are included in it? Okay, see, in the last year, you learned this. Wait, let me tell. Some fuels which we can dug out from the earth. Have you heard about fossil fuel? Fossil fuel. Have you heard about fossil fuel?
Petrol we got from.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Explain. I will explain.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I heard it when I go to the tuition when someone in the
Okay,
seventh
wait.
class.
So
Yes, ma'am.
fossil fuel, I think this year or next year, last year you learned it. So fossil fuel means, see, when the dead bodies, when the dry leaves, dead bodies of the animals, what all it is buried under the earth. This all will be buried under the earth. Isn't it? Dead bodies, animals, dead animals like those.
Ma'am, so
I like dinosaurs.
Sorry?
Like a dinosaur.
Like,
That-
wait, listen.
Ma'am,
And see
so-
in the, see,
So the
when the
trees
dry
are
leaves, dry plants, dry trees that all fall over the over on the earth for so many years, what will happen? That
Fossil fuel.
the way from the waste of the body, dead bodies, or from the waste of the from the animals, the waste of the animals and waste of the plants, there it forms the fossil fuel. Okay, so that fossil fuel for to become that fossil fuel, it takes millions of years. So the fossil fuel, in that fossil fuel, that will be deep under the earth. Okay, from that we have to dig it out and we can call it as fossil fuel.
Ma'am,
Wait, children. When this fossil fuel contain a number of substances, solvents like kerosene, petrol, cooking gas, then a tinner, then likewise so petrol, diesel. These all things are included. Oils. These all things are included in that fossil fuel. So some separating methods are there. Using some separating methods, we can separate each of these fossil fuel from it. For separating petrol from the fuel, we have to adopt a method. That method is not enough to separate from the kerosene. Got it? So likewise, so many things we will get it from the fossil fuel. Fossil fuel, we will get it from deep under the earth. The petrol, diesel, that all we are using from the fossil fuel, which it is formed years, millions and millions years. Wait, millions and millions years before. So it says that the land which it is now, once it was a sea, and the oceans or sea which is now, that place was once it is a land. Okay, so this fossil fuel we are getting from the ocean. Now we are digging out from the ocean. Okay, so Cochin refineries, have you heard about it? No?
Ma'am.
Light is there. Okay, wait. After that, I will give you time for explaining. Okay, for your clearing down.
I have a doubt.
These all things. So long before the oceans, which we can see now, that all were land. So there might have some, what it happened, so many animals, plants, that all buried deep under it, isn't it? Now that all turn it into fossil fuel, we can dig it out. From that, we can using suitable separating techniques, we can separate petrol, diesel, kerosene, tar, so many things, chemical. Is it clear now? Okay. Devadat. Ask me the doubt.
A fossil fuel is a liquid form. So it will
It is not okay. It is not liquid like water. It is like a crude oil. Have you heard crude oil?
no,
Yeah. If you are listening newses, you can hear that crude oil. That word. If the crude oil, the cost of the crude oil is becoming more, that may leads to the hike in the petrol and diesel prices. Have you heard like that? So these all are related. Yes, Devadat, clear it.
That is not structure or that fossil fuel. It is an
Oily structure.
How can we dig it out?
Using see, if you went to this one, Cochin refineries, which it is a CRL, which it is situated in Kochi. Okay, you can ask to your parents to take you sometimes to that places also. There you can see huge pipes are kept it in the ocean, in that sea. Okay, here to that Arabian Sea. So you can, they are using huge machines. Lots of people are working for in that. Engineers are there. Is it clear, Devadat?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Christo
Yes, Christo.
Ma'am, is because of this million year, that is why the price is very.
Yes, because once we use that crude oil, it takes millions and millions of years to, George, listen here. It takes millions and millions of years to become fossil fuel, isn't it? So that is why it is told, don't misuse like this fossil fuel. Cooking gas, which we are using at home, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, that is a part of the crude oil. The chemicals which we are using for making some sanitizer, making some shampoos, whatever the items which we are making for creams, whatever it is we are making, that all it is based on, that all it is made out of this component.
Ma'am, the powder is also with crude oil.
Powder.
Yes.
Powder is not crude oil. Okay, it is not from, maybe some chemicals it is used from that. Okay, next whose it is? Whose chance?
Mega.
Rayan.
Ma'am, in cold water, when we put sugar, when we stir so many times, it will dissolve.
But it may take because when the coldness of the water, when it become reduced, then it start, when it become to normal water, at that time it may dissolve.
Okay,
Clear?
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next Mekha.
Ma'am, you told that in the normal water, the sugar and salt, the sugar will take time to get dissolved. And in the cold water also it will take time. But in the hot water, it doesn't. So the salt, what will be the reaction of the salt?
Salt is also the same.
For the
Salt is,
cold
you
water
can do
and-
it, you can check it.
Ma'am, so
Okay.
what if we put salt in cold water?
Yeah, the whatever the solute wants to dissolve, it should move. Okay, when these solute particles and solvents particles, when it fastly moving and when they are mixes together, then only it may dissolve. Okay, if salt is easier to dissolve than the sugar, that is why we avoid that salt. Then also salt is also taking time for dissolving in cold water. Okay, clear? So shall I take attendance?
Yes, ma'am.